Have you ever wanted to have persistence in your Python file? Save and load data, it's easy to do. We import JSON. We create a JSON object. So I'm just going to have data. And in my case, I'm putting in the curly brackets. I'm going to have an element called name. And the default value is going to be Bob. I'm going to have a collection or an array called item names. And I'm going to pass into it inside square brackets car and keys divided by a comma. I can load the file if it exists. But I'm going to put this in a try because what I want to happen is if I try to load this save.txt, if it's there, it's going to put the JSON that's in that file into my data object and overwrite this. But if the file doesn't exist, it's going to throw an exception. And what we're going to tell it when it throws the exception is create the file, it's writable, and dump into it our default data up here. Then we can do with it whatever we want to. I can print the name by just accessing data, square brackets name. I can access the array by saying for item in data, item names, that's the array. I'm going to print each item and it's going to loop through it. I can update the data. Data name equals Terry. Data name append item. I'm going to add wallet to that collection. And then I'm going to close out by saving. Same thing we did up here. We're going to say save to that save.txt. It's writable, and we're going to dump in that JSON object. And that's how you have persistence in Python.